Bereshit, chapter 35. Elohim said to Yaakov, "Arise, go up to Beit El, and live there. Make there an altar to Elohim, who appeared to you when you fled from the face of Esav, your brother." Then Yaakov said to his household, and to all who were with him, "Put away the foreign Elohim that are among you. Purify yourselves, change your garments. Let us arise, and go up to Beit El. I will make there an altar to Elohim, who answered me in the day of my distress, and was with me in the way which I went." They gave to Yaakov all the foreign Elohim which were in their hands, and the rings which were in their ears, and Yaakov hid them under the oak which was by Shechem. They traveled, and a terror of Elohim was on the cities that were around them, and they didn't pursue the sons of Yaakov. So Yaakov came to Luz, that is, Beit El, which is in the land of Canaan, he and all the people who were with him. He built an altar there, and called the place El Beit El, because there Elohim was revealed to him, when he fled from the face of his brother. Devorah, Rivka's nurse, died, and she was buried below Beit El under the oak, and its name was called Alon Bahut. Elohim appeared to Yaakov again when he came from Padan Aram, and blessed him. Elohim said to him, "Your name is Yaakov. Your name shall not be Yaakov any more, but your name will be Yisrael." He named him Yisrael. Elohim said to him, "I am El Shaddai. Be fruitful and multiply. A nation and a company of nations will be from you, and kings will come out of your body. The land which I gave to Avraham and Yitzchak, I will give it to you, and to your seed after you will I give the land." Elohim went up from him in the place where he spoke with him. Yaakov set up a pillar in the place where he spoke with him, a pillar of stone. He poured out a drink offering on it, and poured oil on it. Yaakov called the name of the place where Elohim spoke with him Beit El. They traveled from Beit El. There was still some distance to come to Ephrat, and Rachel travailed. She had hard labor. When she was in hard labor, the midwife said to her, "Don't be afraid, for now you will have another son." It happened, as her soul was departing, for she died, that she named him Benoni, but his father named him Binyamin. Rachel died, and was buried in the way to Ephrat. The same is Beit Lechem. Yaakov set up a pillar on her grave. The same is the pillar of Rachel's grave to this day. Yisrael traveled, and spread his tent beyond the tower of Eder. It happened, while Yisrael lived in that land, that Reuben went and lay with Bilhah, his father's concubine, and Yisrael heard of it. Now the sons of Yaakov were 12. The sons of Leah, Reuben, Yaakov's firstborn, Shimon, Levi, Yehuda, Yisachar, and Zvulun. The sons of Rachel, Yosef and Binyamin. The sons of Bilhah, Rachel's handmaid, Dan and Naphtali. The sons of Zilpah, Leah's handmaid, Gad and Asher. These are the sons of Yaakov, who were born to him in Padan Aram. Yaakov came to Yitzchak his father, to Mamre, to Kiriath Arba, which is Hebron, where Avraham and Yitzchak lived as foreigners. The days of Yitzchak were 180 years. Yitzchak gave up the spirit and died, and was gathered to his people, old and full of days. Esav and Yaakov his sons buried him.